Good morning. It is the 15th of October. I guess tomorrow will technically be the midpoint of October since there's 31 days. But I am having a wonderful day. I'm feeling good and chipper and energized. And I am out here, what time is it? It's about 20 till 9. Before the sun hits the garden good, to get some weeding done and possibly harvest some of this zucchini and squash. Okay, now that the weeding is done, let's go see what the harvest is for so far. Okay, there's baby ones there. Okay, here's a good one. I should be able to just twist this and get it. Yay! That's a nice one. Set it over there. Let's see, that one's trying to come back. Let's see, there's nothing on this one. There's a small one coming. Ooh, there's a good one here. Should I leave that? Let's see. I may come back to that. And something forming here, but not ready yet. Oh, this one's good. Perfect. Not yet. Not yet. It's coming. Not yet. Okay, so what about the squash? There's a couple. Let's see if this will come off. I'll leave that one over there for now. Let's see. These are coming, but not quite ready. We had a couple that didn't make it here. I'm going to leave these two. They're kind of small still. That out of the dirt maybe. There we go. I'll leave that one for a little bit longer. That one, I could go another day. This one needs to be harvested though, I think. It is so rewarding growing squash. I don't know what it is about it, but go ahead and get that one too. Maybe one coming there, some babies here, and that's it for this harvest. Okay, we've got 3 yellow squash and 2 zucchini. Okay, so now let's go over here and see about the bean seeds that I planted a couple days ago. I just need to make sure that they're moist enough to germinate. It seems pretty moist, but I think I'm going to go ahead and water them again today. It was kind of dry down at this end. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do that because I really want these beans to come up well and have a ton of beans this season. So over here are the beets and the carrots. Over here in my raised bed area are some beans that I planted. I believe they're the same kind that I planted over there in the large garden. They are starting to flower, and so we should have beans soon. But I am just thrilled at how healthy this plant is. It says it's a bush. It seems to be a bush, but that's kind of a big bush. So that's pretty thrilling. I have another one here. It's a smaller plant. And then one here. And this one doesn't look so well. I'm not really sure why. None of the others are having a struggle with that. But hopefully all of these will get as large as that one down there. I'll head down here to the pond so I can get some water in this watering can. Since I'm still watering by hand, Sunday Corey will set up the irrigation for that side of the garden. And we will be fortunate for that. There are no alligators in this pond, so don't worry too much about me. I always keep a vigil, but in the 20 some odd years we've lived here, there has never been a gator. We do have fish, we have turtles, and so we have a good ecosystem and therefore nutritious water to bathe our seeds and plants in. So a couple of days ago, my dogs went missing, and they're found. They're good now, but they went missing, and I was trying to figure out what happened. And I think I left the gate open for a little while and let them out, and I didn't realize the gate was still open. But today, the gate is closed. I've had the dogs out here with me, and usually I see them, they stay around with me, and I don't see them or hear them. So I'm wondering if there is an opening in the fence somewhere that they've found and are getting out. I hope I find them before I confirm there's a hole, but if there is one, it would be back here behind the barn, I think. They're not inside, so I've got to figure out if there's some escape route back here. So I've been along the north fence, which is where I think they're getting out. But we have an interesting section of the fence, which is actually the root system of a downed tree. Now, and it goes to the corner over there. Now, I know my little dog can get through there. I don't believe my big dog can. But as you can see, it's quite holy. The fence comes up to right there, and the rest of this is open, but none of the holes are big enough for my big dog. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. I need to go and check the other corner, but it is concerning. I contacted the lady who found them before, who was nice enough to care for them until we could get them back, just to let her know in case they show up over in her area again, which thankfully is not too far. But I really don't want this to keep happening because it puts the dogs at risk on busy roads around here, and it's just really inconvenient for people and for us and for... So hopefully we can get this resolved.